Hey there, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw DryBones from the Mario franchise, the Mario series, whatever you call it, Nintendo, all that stuff. DryBones is basically a dead Koopa Troopa, so that's it. We're going to be using a marker. This is for beginners, step-by-step for kids, beginners, just anyone starting out. If you've never drawn in your whole life, stay right here. Okay, now let's get into it. Pay attention and let's get going. Using this marker, like I said, just a Crayola brand marker, nothing too wild. I'm going to start with the top part of his nose, or beak. Have a bump above his head. It's going to be one eye. This is the outer part of the other eye. Outside of the kind of like cheek. He has kind of a Yoshi-shaped head a little bit. A lot of the characters have similar design language to them, so that's pretty cool. Now it's the bottom part of that beak. Kind of toothy part of the skull area. The cheek a little. I'm gonna pull back into the rest of the upper cheek. One eye, another eye, very egg-shaped, and I'm gonna leave a little dot for the iris and pupil. It's really just a dot inside there, but since we're using a marker, I'm gonna be filling in that outside shape because it's supposed to be kind of an empty, kind of concave section. Nasal cavity. And then I'm going to pull the bottom of the jaw. Kind of all the way down here. It's like kind of like the bottom of an egg. Think of it like that.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
Right here is drawing in little blocks. You can kind of draw that in any which way you want, but just as long as they're made up of these squarish shapes, maybe with a little bit of black in between, like they've already dried out and they're just kind of stuck back together. Circle right here for, it's actually the armholes of DryBones. And the leg. But since he's kind of like an undead character, his arms are not gonna connect. So, draw the glove section. All those characters have these cool kind of gloves. And I'm gonna draw like a few digits on there, nothing crazy. You can draw it in any position you want, but just remember the thickness of the gloves. It's gonna come out. He's gonna have his hands forward here. And now I'm going to go into the underside of the shell to complete it. If you're having a difficult time following, you can rewind it at any point you want. You can rewind this, any point. And I'm going to draw little blocks for the actual tail. See right here. And I'm going to draw little lines for that's going to be the underside of the shell. And then the feet are very simplistic booty shapes. And that is totally it. If you reach this point, and they're not touching by the way, if you reach this point, this is awesome. Thank you for following along that long. It wasn't even that long, it was short, right? Super easy. It should be easy, and you can attain this even if you've never drawn. If you're having difficulty drawing, usually 9 out of 10 times it is the control of using the marker. It is moving your hand, and you can kind of just maybe draw around some shapes before you do this in order to gain that little bit of that control, tiny bit of control. You don't need much control for this, you really don't. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you were close enough, you know, awesome. Hit the like button. Also, so I know what to do more of. If you have any requests, please let me know. I reply to every single comment in the comment section. And don't forget, I have a free How to Draw Cute ebook, and that is free for the moment being, and that is in the that's going to be in the description. So check that out. I've had a lot of great feedback on it. It's 10 pages on how to draw something very cute, and it's very valuable. It's useful. Like I said, it's totally free, and that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much. Check out the description for other videos, links as well on this channel that relate to this.